To make the coconut dry fruit chocolate fudge, let's start by roasting the nuts in a pan on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure the nuts are constantly stirred so that they do not burn. The nuts will have fewer darker spots on them. Now we will chop the nuts into halves and thirds. Next, we will dry roast our coconut until it is golden in color. Make sure to continuously stir between while it's on heat. Using the same thick bottom pan, melt the butter and condensed milk together. Make sure they are combined well. Now let's add our chopped chocolate and stir until the chocolate is fully melted. Remove the pan from the heat and sprinkle the chopped nuts and coconut over the top. Make sure you combine all the ingredients well. At the end, we will get a smooth and fudgy texture that we are looking for. Line a 9 by 9 inch pan with a foil. Make sure the foil is covering all the sides. Let's pour our fudge batter into the pan evenly. Let's smooth the top and make it look even. Now we will sprinkle our desiccated coconut without roasting it. Now we will place our pan in the freezer until the coconut solidifies. Once the fudge is set in the freezer, let's cut it into squares.